Assalamu alaikum, my reading buddies. How are you doing today? Inshallah, today we'll be reading a book written by Eric Carle, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. And at the end of the story, inshallah, we are going to create a surprise as well. To help me with the surprise and with the story, I have a special helper here today, Zaria Khan. Are you excited to be here, Zaria?
Yeah.
Yes, me too. Do you want to get started? Okay, inshallah. So while I start with the screen share, could you please list the supplies that they need to create the surprise at the end of the story?
Okay.
Okay, inshallah. Go ahead, Zaria.
So first you'll need some two-colored construction paper, tape or glue, scissors, pipe cleaners, and pen, marker, or pencil.
Alhamdulillah. Thank you. Thank you for listing the supplies. Let's get started with the story.
Oh, and some scissors.
And some scissors. Okay. Yes, please don't forget the scissors. Okay, inshallah. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. For my sister Krista, The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Do you see the egg in the picture, Zaria?
Yeah.
Where is it?
So
Oh, there you go. Yes. And moon looks so beautiful, right? Mashallah. On Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a very hungry caterpillar. On Monday, he started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through two pears. One, two, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through three plums, but he was still hungry. One, two, three. On Thursday, he ate through four strawberries. Do you want to count with me, Zaria? One, two, three, four. But he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through five oranges. One, two, three, four, five. But he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through one piece of chocolate cake,
one ice cream cone, one pickle, one slice of Swiss cheese, one slice of salami, one lollipop, one piece of cherry pie, one sausage, one cupcake, and one slice of watermelon.
That night, he had a stomach ache. My goodness, with all that food, I would get a stomach ache too if I eat all at once. Don't you think, Zaria?
Yeah.
Oh, I hope Caterpillar feels better. Let's find out what happens next. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through one nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon around himself. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon and pushed his way out. And
He was a beautiful butterfly.
MashaAllah, he was indeed a beautiful butterfly. Look at that butterfly. That butterfly has so many colors. MashaAllah. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has nourished the caterpillar with providing him food in order to become and turn into this beautiful butterfly. Remember, our buddies, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also continues to nourish us with food and with so many beautiful things that He has created for us to enjoy, so that we can nourish our body, we can nourish our mind, and we can nourish our soul. Now, during the month of Ramadan, I know some of you may be fasting, but don't forget that at this time that we should continue to count blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, be grateful, and try to help those in need who are having difficult time during this month of Ramadan. And for example, as Al Rahma School has, as you know, that in the beginning of the year that you have been supporting the Ansar sponsorship program, through which we sponsor 21 orphans all through the world. So, my friends, use this opportunity to remind your parents, inshallah, so they can make these generous donations. So, the orphans that we sponsor every year, we continue to sponsor them so they can have a nice Ramadan as well, inshallah. With this, we will go into our next surprise, which I have been talking about was building creating a
Caterpillar.
caterpillar. That's right. So inshallah, as we talked about, I hope you have all your supplies back with you. So you can take construction paper and cut it into strips. We have cut it into strips, and in order to make it easy, we have put a small piece of tape on one of the edges, inshallah.
Or you can glue it.
Or you can glue it.
inside.
Yeah, or you can glue it inside. That's right. So inshallah, what we are going to do is we are going to first create the body for the caterpillar using our green construction paper. So let's get started. Zaria, do you want to help me with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So I am going to form first link, then
I'll put it through.
yes, then Zaria is going to help me with the other one, inshallah. So you can again use a piece of tape in order to fasten those the construction paper, or you can use glue, inshallah.
If you're
So
using glue, you put the glue at the tip over there,
yeah,
and then you
press
do
it.
it.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you for that tip. Okay, so we have created three uh, links, three parts for the caterpillar. How many parts are we going to add for our caterpillar, Zaria?
5.
Five. Okay. So this would be our fourth one, inshallah. So there you go. Now, okay, I think we need to fasten a little bit tighter.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Hmm. MashaAllah. There you go. Alhamdulillah. So right now, this is how you can make as short as you like or as long caterpillar as you want using green construction paper or any construction paper that you have at home, inshallah. So to get a head start, we have created a head. There you go. Zaria had created the head for the caterpillar. Um, we took a strip of construction paper, folded it, and we put the tape again to fasten it. And what did we use for antennas, Zaria?
We use pipe cleaners, but if you don't have pipe cleaners, you can use a piece of paper
Mm-hmm.
and like fold it or roll it up and like glue or tape it over there.
Oh, mashallah. Now, what did we do for eyes and mouth for the caterpillar?
We took a pen and we drew the face.
Yeah.
You can use a marker or pencils too.
Or if you have googly eyes. We don't have googly eyes, so what we did, we used our pen in order to make the eyes and the smiley face on our caterpillar, inshallah. So once the face is done, then we can fasten the face to the rest of the body of the caterpillar, inshallah. Zaria, can you please help me with that? Can you please hold this? Hi, thank you.
Hold this.
Yes, thank you. So I can make this tighter. Awesome. Let me fasten it from the bottom as well so we don't, so it doesn't come out easily. There you go. So Alhamdulillah, if you see, we have a face here with the antennas and we have the rest of the body here of the caterpillar. Um, did you enjoy making caterpillar with me, Zaria?
Yeah.
Yes, Alhamdulillah. And so did I. I enjoyed reading the books to you, and I enjoyed making the caterpillar with you. I hope you enjoyed reading with me as well and making the caterpillar. Inshallah. Until next time, take care, stay safe. And as I told you earlier, please remind your parents, inshallah, your friends, your families, whoever you know, inshallah, to make those generous donations for our Ansar program so that we can continue to support the orphans as we do every year. The little bit about the project. This project we do every year as a part of our value-based program with the partnership with the Helping Hand. So, Alhamdulillah, Helping Hand been very generous and very helpful in order to help us identify the orphans and continuously providing us guidance and support. And I again thank you so much for being here with me. I hope to see you again next time. So, inshallah, please take care and stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamualaikum.